sister. Hey. It's Deannie. And we're in the kitchen. About to make some Haitian soup. So get some Haitian soup, jumu. Sorry if I say that wrong, but something like that. So we're prepping everything. I just clean up the meat and everything. Got that time. Big Daddy over there prepping all the cabbage and the yams and everything. Let me bring it over so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, the tomatoes, bell peppers, got the chili peppers, got some cloves. Like I say, the first time. Got that cabbage, got the yams, chopped up, ready to go. Got the potatoes over here hiding. Gotta peel them potatoes and everything. We're hiding something. We're trying to get it done. We're trying to get it done. Alright, so now we're gonna start seasoning. Got that chicken bouillon. I be forgetting about recording. So now we don't start on the meat. We got it over there brewing. I'm trying to get used to this thing. Showing what I'm doing every minute, every second. So we're getting this soup. And getting the meat together. The pot is little because I have conch soup in the other pot. So let this just try to steam up and cook. I'm gonna save that for later because we have extra. And we're not making a lot, we're just making a little something. Because, you know, hubby be missing his culture sometime on the holidays and stuff, especially times like this. He be missing his mom and stuff, so just make something for him. Give him his memories and stuff. Looking back to us. Oh, he be ready for a drink. Be ready for a cocktail. Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Oh, he took it from her. Wow, I just noticed that. Come on.
Yeah, so we get distracted. All right. So while that's cooking, we sipping. Okay. Everything else is ready. They done chopped up the cabbage, the plantanos. You know, we putting little plantanos in there. All the celery is in here.
Yeah, I got salt.
Yeah, it's salt in there. So we can put it all together. This the time, so that's gonna go in there later on. So yeah. So while this is cooking and brewing, I'll be back and let you guys see the final results. Okay. I'm so proud of myself, and I'm just to make my hoodie happy, baby. This for you. Even though you were my sous chef and you cut up everything for me and everything, you was a big help. But this for you, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it's good because I made it with love, y'all. Made it with love. So I'm gonna let it sit here and let it do what it do, and I'll be back and show you guys the end result.